Alright everybody, welcome back to another video of the Nginx as a load balancer series, and in this video we are going to see how we can use DigitalOcean and deploy our droplets or virtual machines, and I'll show you how easy and fast this one is. And you guys, if you want to use DigitalOcean, you will like it. It's easy for beginners and has so many great features. So let's get going. So I already logged into my DigitalOcean's web account, but if you wanna sign up, you can just simply go to digitaloceans.com and just sign up and everything. You will find a link also in the description. So let's get going. Just simply come here, log in, and then click on Get Started with Droplet, and it's just gonna show you a shark thingy. Your shark, yes. Okay, so we're going to be using Ubuntu for this series, and we'll be using latest version, which is 18.0.4, which is long-term support also. And latest one is 19.4, but we are going with 18.04 LTS 64-bit. We have chosen standard plan. We do not want expensive stuff. 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU, 25 GB SSD, and 1000 gigabytes transfer is more than enough for us. Here you will get option to choose the data center. You want to choose the closest one. So if you are in Canada, you probably want to go with Toronto data center. If you are in US, then you want to know whatever location is closest to you. If you're in India, obviously you want to go with Bangalore. So operations like that. So I'm in Midwest United States, so I think New York is the closest one. And I have two options for New York. They have 1, 2, and 3, but 2 is limited availability, so I cannot use it right now because the region is maybe offline or something for new accounts. So if you already have, you can manage everything here, but for me, I don't have option right now, so I'll just go with region 3. So make sure I got Ubuntu 18 LTS standard, $5 per month plan, and I got New York 3, and I want IPv6, and that's all I want right now. I'm going to use one-time password. I'm not going to deploy SSH because I'm using Windows right now, and it kind of gets tricky. But one-time password will work. What will happen, the DigitalOcean will deploy a droplet, and it will send it a random password, generate a random password, and it will be sent to your email account that you used to sign up with the DigitalOcean. So I'll go with one-time password. I wanna name my server Nginx load balancer or Nginx load balancer. This is gonna be my first droplet. I wanna add one more. I'm gonna say Nginx app server 1, and I'm gonna create another one. Just copy, paste, and 2. So we got 2 app servers and we got 1 load balancer server, and that's all. I'm gonna use this one. Backups are recommended, but I'm not going to be using it because by the time you guys will be watching this video series, I will probably have this one removed anyway. So I'm not going to use this server's droplet after the video tutorials. Alright, so let's go back and check it one more time. We want Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. We want to go with standard plan, $5 a month. Our main network data center location region is New York 3, IPv6 just in case. One-time password, which will be sent to my email, and 3 droplets. 1 is load balancer, LB, and then app server 1, app server 2. I don't want to add any tags, so I'll just skip that one. Assign droplet to a project. My name is showing up here, so I don't know what's that. They changed some stuff too. And I don't want any backups right now, so I'll just go ahead and create droplet. And all right, as you can see, it's fast. The real quick deployment process is real easy, and just a couple more seconds, or maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and they will be available. They will be done. Wow, that's fast. All right, looks like we got it done. So we got in same data center. Our two of three IP ranges are kind of same, and then third one, and plus they have also local, no, private IP. Okay, so looks like, let's see what I got here. I'll just refresh this one and see if private IP shows up. No. Okay, never mind. We can still use the same our public IP address, and we'll be able to communicate with each other, our services. So we're good on that. So I'll just go back here to my droplets. You can see I got 3 droplets. I can do add domain, access console, blah blah blah, all the stuff. So in next video, I'll show you how to log in, and I'll show you how to reset the password, so you can have something what you can remember instead of having their randomly generated password. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.